Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Cardano's Charles Hoskinson criticizes Consensus, claims Morgan has no stakes in Cardano. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has taken to Twitter to issue a public response on the matter of Consensus' disclosure of a 2020 deal, which saw Morgan Chase acquire what has been called an influential stake on two of Consensus' CAG flagship products, MetaMask and Infer. According to Hoskinson, Morgan has no stakes in the Cardano blockchain, and that neither does it have any presence or control in any critical Cardano infrastructure. According to the special audit filed by 35 shareholders from Consensus AG, there were fundamental intellectual property and subsidiaries illegally transferred from CAG into a new entity, Consensus Software Incorporated (CSI). These were specified further regarding the transfer's involvement of two flagship products served by Consensus, MetaMask and Infer, crypto wallet and gateway, respectively. According to a press release issued by the shareholders, the transfer was effectively offset in exchange for 10% ownership of CSI, with an offset of $39 million loan that was purportedly made by Joseph Lubin, Consensus founder and major shareholder. This transaction was recorded on August 14, 2020, and has since been the subject of criticism among Consensus shareholders. The transaction was internally codenamed as Project North Star, and allegedly resulted in legacy financial institutions such as Morgan Chase obtaining a sizable stake in MetaMask and Infer. In the crypto industry, the two aforementioned flagship products are widely used as critical infrastructure for the Ethereum ecosystem, serving as a crypto wallet for the former, and as an IPFS and API gateway for decentralized applications built on the Ethereum blockchain. Hoskinson's comments come off as a criticism of the Consensus suite of products, most of which are aimed at the development of Ethereum. As we know, the Cardano blockchain itself is poised as an Ethereum killer among other similar Layer 1 blockchains that have sought to compete with Ethereum's dominance. The second news today is Cardano, assessing the odds of ADA's near-term price revival. Since hitting its Cardano, ADA, has downturned and practically swayed below its 20 to 50 EMA. The decline proved to be alarming for the bulls as they failed to defend the critical 94-cent mark. Assuming the willingness of the bulls to keep a foothold on the 13-month-long support near the $0.843–0.824 range, ADA should aim for near-term revival. Well, but we couldn't risk our investors' funds developing on an early-stage blockchain that is still prone to vulnerabilities and scalability issues. Therefore, we started to develop the same ecosystem, within the same project, on Avalanche in parallel. The name ADA Finance limited the interest of people that were anti or neutral towards ADA Cardano. With our token on Avalanche and utilities on Avalanche, it was better to perform the rebrand to a neutral name, hence Active Finance. Pioneering the DeFi space, Toffee's rebrand is accompanied by several new feature releases and announcements which will lay the foundation for Toffee Swap. The first is an on-chain affiliate program that will incentivize active community members to attract new users to the ecosystem, encouraging organic community growth. This will work in conjunction with the on-chain staking of $ACTA, the ecosystem's new token. Users will be able to stake $ACTA in the normal way, maturing their stake to claim governance rights in the ecosystem's new decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, when it becomes available. TG incentives for $ACTA will be made public on April 5, 2022 in both $ACTA staking and the ecosystem's affiliate program are currently being audited by Solidity Finance. A new approach to Toffee's new Toffee Swap, is set to launch later in 2022 and will include several new features which put it at the cutting edge of protocols. Firstly, a Toffee swap will follow Uniswap v3's concentrated liquidity model, a model that allows liquidity to be allocated within a custom price range. Although this requires more maintenance than the passive function adopted by most common AMMs, the ability to customize price ranges allows liquidity providers to provide their capital in a more efficient way according to their needs. As a result, it is preferred by experienced digital asset managers, market makers, and funds, as it allows them to act more dynamically to market changes. Secondly, the Itafi team is targeting decentralization and interoperability from the offset like competing aggregators, such as 1inch. This will provide maximum liquidity for the Itafi ecosystem, ensuring that the AMM can achieve the most efficient prices for its assets. Finally, a Itafi swap will include a token bridge as a secondary function built into the swap, allowing users to benefit from access to greater liquidity for an AMM. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.